How to create Angular CLI project in VS Code latest version 2026. Google search box లో enter Visual Studio download. Enter key press visualstudio.microsoft.com. Downloads first link. Click Visual Studio official web page complete display download section లో Visual Studio latest version 2026 operating system default detected Windows. Scroll down. First one community related free download button click. Thank you for downloading Visual Studio. Downloads section లో Visual Studio .setup.exe file downloading process completed. Browser minimize. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder లో setup file display. Select mouse double click. Visual Studio installer window లో first button yes click. Download folder minimize. Visual Studio installer installation window bottom side continue button click. Getting the Visual Studio installer ready. First one downloading process start. File size 37.61 MB. After downloading process completed, at the same time installation process also start. Wait and hear few minutes. Window maximize. First one ASP.NET and web development box tick mark set. Second one application package manager Node.js development right side box tick mark set. Installation details window లో selected applications bottom side. Total space required 8.82 GB. Install button click. Visual Studio installer window లో install first one. Downloading file size 2.81 GB. Installing packages 479. Start after installation. Downloading at the same time installation process also start. Option left side box tick mark set. Wait and hear process completing. Optimizing assembles. Second one launch button click. Microsoft Visual Studio 2026 application IDE run. Visual Studio installer window close. Sign into Visual Studio. Right side fourth option skip and add account later. Select mouse left click. Development settings window lo as it same default options set. Blue color button start Visual Studio. Click Visual Studio 2026 window. Right side first one create a new project option select. Recent project templates section lo second one all platforms right side down arrow click. Windows option select. Third one box right side down arrow click. Web option select. Desktop window search box enter CMD. First option command prompt select. Enter the Angular CLI command ng space version. Enter key press. Angular CLI latest version 21.2.7 Node.js 24.15.0 package manager npm 11.12.1 operating system Win32x64 architecture. Install in your system latest version Angular CLI window close. All languages right side down arrow click. TypeScript option select. Angular and ASP.NET Core. Angular's client side, ASP.NET Core server side working. First one Angular app select. Bottom side second button next click. Configure your new project section lo Angular app related project name default Angular project 1. Save location and path display in case change the other OneDrive or folder. Browse icon click. Present unnecessary default set. Bottom side create button click. Save changes the following items. Second button, don't save. Click Microsoft Visual Studio, creating project. Wait and here few seconds. Privacy policy, yet to change these settings. Keyboard N key, no. Enter key press. Copilot chat box, close. Solution Angular project, related structured project files. Last one, select project 1, file name, display. First one, select mouse right click, properties option select, project contents, debugging and configuration. Tick mark set, OK button click, top section lo localhost green color button click. Bottom side show output from build project. Wait and here few seconds. Angular project start ng service localhost 127.0.0.1 auto run Angular project related web page. Hello Angular project 1.